How to delete Uber Eats account. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to delete your account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to delete the Uber Eats account, tap onto this shopping icon at the top, just right here, select it. Then here you can find account, just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find privacy, just right here, select it. Then again scroll down and here you can find account security right here, and there is the account deletion right here. Now select it. Now to delete, simply verify your identity. For security reasons, you will be prompted to sign in and verify your identity. In order to request account deletion, simply tap on to accept. Now simply enter your phone number or email or continue with Apple, and after doing that you will get a link or your code. Simply follow the instructions and you will simply delete the Uber Eats account. And that's it. This is how you can delete Uber Eats account. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.